to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to show you a Goan masala, that is Recheado masala, where we can use this Recheado masala in multi-purpose, and that's why I am trying to make it in quantity, and then I will show you what we can do out of this in later. So first of all, we need 100 grams of Kashmiri red chili. So it is like around in 50 numbers, but if you weigh it, then it is 100 grams Kashmiri red chili. And these are not spicy, these are for color. Okay. Then second thing what we need is, we need like this onion. So I have taken like one big onion, and this is like one small onion, medium you can say. So 1.5 onions we need, and this we are going to roast it on the fire. Okay. Then we need a ball of tamarind. Okay. Then we need 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Okay. 40 garlic cloves. These are 40 garlic cloves. Then we need around 5 inches of ginger. So if you catch inches, then it is like this. 1, 2. So like this I have counted, and it is all 5 inches of ginger. Okay. Then we need around like, you can use sugar or jaggery. So I'll be using jaggery. That is 1 teaspoon of jaggery, or if you want more, then 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Okay. Then we need around like turmeric powder, which is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now here comes the dry masalas. So these are like 8 cinnamon sticks, 8 cinnamon sticks, and so we are taking around peppercorns will be 30 peppercorns, black peppercorns is 30, and 15 of these cloves. Okay. Then we will be adding around salt, that is 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Vinegar, any vinegar, whatever vinegar is available in the market, you can add it to grind it to paste. No adding water. So now if you got the masalas, please take a look close by. So this is like Kashmiri red chilies with a non-spicy, but it is for color. So 50 numbers and 100 grams in weight. This is tamarind ball. This is cumin, 2 tablespoons of cumin. This is 5 inches of ginger. And these are our garlics, which are 40 in number. Then this is around 30 of peppercorns and 15 of cloves, 8 of cinnamon sticks. Salt you have to add, and turmeric powder is 1 teaspoon. Okay. So now we will have to grind this. So now let's roast this onion. So I will roast masala, but I am going to grind this more into fine coarse. I want more. So I have basically used 3 of this, so of vinegar. So you see while grinding how much you need, and accordingly you all add. So I will be adding now little bit of more vinegar to this and grind it, because I need it a fine paste. Okay. So here is my masala ready. Okay, it is, this Recheado masala is ready. So here it is, rich in color. It will be used for many things. So, and I've got it in a lot of quantity. So nice fine paste, and I will preserve this and use this for many purposes. So hope you will enjoy this, and coming videos you will see how to add or use this masala. Okay, thank you so much. Now I will show you how to coat semolina rava to this Recheado chicken fry. And so our chicken is nicely fried and cooked, and now we have to coat this with rava, that is semolina, and little bit of rice flour, and we have to fry this. Okay, and oil for frying. तर आता आम्ही जे आमचं चिकन आम्ही हे तयार केला भाजून, आमचे रेचादो मसालो लावून आम्ही तेका बरे भशेन भाजून जे केला तेका आता आम्ही रवा लावूया आणि भाजूया. ओके, एका रव्यान आता आम्ही भाजूया. तर अशें घेवया आणि बरो भशेन कोट करूया. तो हे टेन्शन ना की चिकन शिजवांक ना. चिकन आमचे ऑलरेडी आता बरे भशेन भाजून तयार जाला. तर क्रंचीनेस कोण थोड्यांक क्रंचीनेस जाय चिकनाक लागून, तांकां हे बरे भशेन बरो रवो लावया. आणि रवो भाजलो म्हणजे आमचे चिकन रेडी. ओके, सो तेलान आता भाजूया. Now we'll turn this. Here it is ready, crispy chicken Recheado fry. Enjoy this. मानता तुमका सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आणि बरे कुरकुरीत हे चिकन तुम्ही भाजून खायात आणि एन्जॉय करा. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.